Hello kids, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. For today's lesson, we are going to talk about fruits again. But this time, we're going to talk about fruits we like and the fruits we don't like. First, let's remember the name of the fruits. Apple, repeat with me. Apple, banana, banana, orange, repeat with me. Orange, lemon, lemon, strawberry, strawberry, and finally, grapes, grapes. Now it's time for you to practice. I'm going to send a worksheet where you're going to draw in one side the fruits you like and on the other side the fruits you don't like. And after you do this, please record yourself talking about the fruits you like and the fruits you don't like. For example, I like banana and I don't like oranges. It's your turn. Let's practice. Bye kids, have a good week.